This is a video response to my buddy Coondog Demand's video on how to make a flashlight out of your mouse. Quite basically, you got a mouse, you have a screw hole in the bottom, just take out that screw, open it up, and inside, of course, your little ball that comes out. You have your scroll wheel, circuit board, and your wires. Now in most cases your wires just pop right out of a little socket they're in. Just take that right out. Take your scroll wheel out, take your circuit board out, just like that. Okay, on your circuit board, on the back side, or on the top, you can see where your three buttons are. This is your scroll wheel button and your left and right buttons. I'm going to use the scroll light button, the scroll button, wheel button to light this. So I'm going to use this button right here. Quite basically, just take a Dremel or a rotary tool and you find where that button connects and you just grind off the connection. Battery's dying on it. So you can see there I've ground off the connections right there for my button, and I'm going to solder to that switch right there. Real simple. I just need 2 pieces of wire, my soldering iron. Take a piece of solder. Actually, I got solder on the tips of these, and you solder them wires right to the leads for your buttons. Make sure you got the right leads. Here's one. Here's the other one. So you have wires sticking onto your button just like that. Bring those up through. So you're not going to want them sticking out anywhere. Put that back into place. Now in his video he showed you how to load this with batteries. In my video, what I'm going to use is called a Joule Thief. Now you can look this up on YouTube. They'll show you how to make one. They're very simple and very inexpensive to make, and they're actually quite neat. It's got the white LED transistor and 1K ohm resistor and your ferrite wheel with all of your wire on it. So it's real simple. Like I said, just pop that into place. We got to put our wheel back on for our button. Okay, that works. And we got to pop this into place somehow around this mess. Now we solder one of our wires that we just soldered to the board onto the other wire. Dangerously close to my fingers. Just like that. And we take a generic little AAA battery. Do a little test here. Make sure you got the right side going to the right one. And that soldering iron's really hot on my palm. You can see it lights up. So now we just got to solder this on. Be really careful in soldering batteries because they could explode if you get them too hot. So you want to be careful and sand it down. Take a sanding block, take your battery, and just rough it up on the bottoms like that, and on the top. And that holds your solder better. So then all you do is put it in the clamp. Heat up your solder on both ends. Little dip on there. Little on that side. A little bit on this side. Like I said, don't get that too hot. So you don't want that to blow up in your face. And connect it. There's one. Here's the other one. Just like that. Now you got plenty of space to close this all up. Put your cover on. And there you go. You got a mouse flashlight that only runs on one AAA battery and is brighter than if you had 3 in there. That's what's so great about the Joule Thief. The Joule Thief is actually a battery saver. Works great on almost all your little light projects that you have. And it stays bright, stays lit longer than 3-volt batteries.